Now, who doesn't love value for money dash cams? Mostly coming around the price bracket of 5,000 rupees or maybe up to 8,000 rupees, kind of an ideal sweet spot for many people who are looking to get the best of what's available within that budget. So if you have been following my channel, I brought up a series of videos based on the Dansker dash cameras. So these cameras offer tremendous value for money. I mean, I reviewed 2 cameras every month from the past 3 months, and most of you have been appreciating and liking those videos. So what I'm planning to do is bring up a combo video of all the Dansker dash cameras which I reviewed in the past 3 months. So this means you get all the info combined together within one single video, so that makes your purchase decision so much easier. So that makes it easy for you to recognize, identify the particular dash cam which suits your needs, suits your budgets, and you can go ahead and grab it for yourself. Now, most of the Dansker dash cameras offer you a lot of premium features, but they do come in at a budget price. Usually those features are seen in more premium segment dash cameras, but now they are available within the budget range. So if you're someone who is looking to buy a dual channel dash cam, or maybe a 4K dash camera, or maybe even a mirror dash cam with reverse view, and you want all of this to come under the price bracket of 5,000 rupees or maybe a maximum of 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, the upcoming top 5 Dansker dash cameras video on Gizmobeep, which will be dropping soon, pretty much about last week of December, is the video which you should not ever miss. So if you're excited for the video and you look forward to watching it, go ahead, show your interest by writing down in the comments, and you can of course go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel if you still haven't done that yet. That being said, many more dashcam reviews, tech videos, gadgets and related stuff will also be dropping on the Gizmobeep channel. So get ready to get blown away with all the premium features Dansker dash cameras offer within a budget range, coming up in the next week. Keep watching.